ये जोड़ी, and with the skills of oratory in future to make some great money. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the very beautiful Honey, and she is going to deliver a speech right here in front of us. So Honey के लिए जोरदार तालियां. We have Honey Savla up here. आइए Honey. So all set? Bring it on.
Hello and good evening everyone. I am Honey Savla. I'm very excited and happy to be here on the stage, as this is a proud moment for me to be on this platform and present my talent towards you all. Today, I'm going to give a speech on deforestation, which is very common nowadays in the whole world. Deforestation. What do you think is deforestation? Okay, fine. Let me tell you. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees max to max in all the parts of the world. This deforestation is going on in many parts of the world, like India. India is standing in the top 10 countries, estimated in 2009 record for the deforestation. This deforestation has led to an imbalance in the ecosystem, in the oxygen cycle, and many more. Do you wonder how does it disturb the oxygen cycle? Let me tell you. Deforestation in the oxygen cycle. Deforestation, the trees, we human beings inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. But the trees do the opposite process, and they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. This oxygen is used by human beings for the process of inhalation and exhalation. But if we cut down trees in a max to max number, this has led to a lot of problem all over the world. The carbon dioxide level is going so above, which is one of the reason why destruction all over the world. Global warming and everything is going on the world. The carbon dioxide is so lighter in weight that it goes above the atmosphere, and the sun rays which falls on the earth and which is used by us to present life over here, it gets disturbed. You might be wondering, why am I telling this all over here? I'm telling you all to spread a message all over the world. I'm telling this to many people, that is the audience in front of me. But you will tell this to everyone in the world. And if this message is spreaded out to many people, this might be, the deforestation level in India might go less. The trees, people should focus more on afforestation, that is planting down of trees. And I hope people do the same thing, including me. One more thing I need to tell you all. This Tuesday is Women's Day. I wish you all a happy Women's Day. And I also tell for the lucky women who have their birthday on Tuesday, like including my own grandmother. Happy Women's Day to you all. Thank you so much for hearing my speech.
Thank you so much, Honey. It was very inspiring and a lovely message that you just conveyed.